Creating digital products. Now we're going to talk about what form your information product is going to take. There's a lot of talk these days about how video information products are hot and everyone prefers video. Don't believe it. Video is perfect for some types of information products and not so hot for others. And not everyone loves video. There can be drawbacks to presenting information in video form. People have limited time and short attention spans these days, and it's a lot easier to scan an ebook and get what information you need than it is to scan a video. Then again, some people claim the exact opposite. It's very hard, however, to fast forward an online video that is still loading to see if it contains the relevant information than it is to look at the contents page of an ebook. So, your video must be well made and get to the point immediately, with no fluff or lengthy introductions, or you will get angry people and get a lot of refund requests, and people will not be likely to order from you again. In a written product, people are a little more forgiving because they can page forward quickly to get to the information that they need. If you're talking about how to design a website, for instance, they may already know some of what you're discussing. In an ebook, they can skip what they already know. In a video, they can't, because they don't know where on the video to find the part of the video that they are looking for. However, some information products do naturally lend themselves to ebook form or audio form. If you can interview an expert, like an internet marketing guru, an audio form works quite well. If you have an information product that does not rely on visuals, like teaching someone how to paint a portrait, the audio form works quite well. And audio recording is also a good option for people who are visually impaired. So how do you actually go about creating your information products? It can be done very cheaply and easily. For creating ebooks, you can use Microsoft Word. Or you can download OpenOffice for free for both Windows and Mac. Those both allow you to export your document in a PDF format. For video creation, if you Google screen recording tool, you will find many free and paid versions of software that can help you create on-screen videos and edit them. Camtasia is one of the best ones I have used. For audio creation, you can use a tool called Audacity, which is a free open-source audio software which will allow you to create products such as interviews, etc. Don't be nervous about making a perfect video. Purchasers of information products don't expect a Hollywood production. They have a problem. They want someone to tell them how to solve it, quickly and with no distractions. They're not looking for fancy special effects. One thing that is important in making your product look good is getting an attractive digital cover made. They generally cost between $25 and $97. You definitely shouldn't have to pay more than that. And you can find good e-cover designers on the Warrior Forum, Elance.com, Fiverr, Guru.com, and other freelance sites.